What's up, guys? So these are the regular lights that are on here. There's the back one, the front one, as you can see, it really doesn't light up much. So I'm gonna install some LED ones. That's all you get. So I'm pretty sure they should have installed LEDs since they added LEDs to the headlights, but so I'm gonna show you guys how to install the LEDs for that. LED lights. It's gonna be going in my cabin up there. And the back one, I'm gonna show you guys how to put them on. Sometimes when you order your little LED lights, it might come with a tool like this. And if not, you can order some on Amazon. They're like $5. So what you're gonna want to do is grab this, push it right there, and it comes off just like that. All right, there's your light. Careful, it's gonna be hot. There we go. That's what it is right there. Okay, let's grab this real quick. There we go. Sometimes there's a special way you gotta put these in, so make sure you put it in the right way. Let's see that, perfect. There we go, perfect. Yeah. Yep. That's how it looks like. You just get your cover back on. Just pop it back in place. Let's see, go. There you go. Perfect. Same way, same process for that one too. Grab your little tool, pry it right there. Yeah, it seems like the light's always going when you do it. You can go, just pull it out. Remember, hot, super hot. There we go. Grab the next light bulb. There we go, perfect. Just pop that son bitch right in. There you go, perfect. Just grab your lid. Boom, see? Perfect. Let me turn off my flash so you guys can see how much, what a difference. Your light's way more everything. That's not the flash from the phone. That's straight up the light, the LEDs. Another stormtrooper. All right, so let's go do the back ones now for the passengers. All right, so we're gonna do the back ones. There's my LEDs. And so you guys know the room that's in this car. I'm sitting in the back seat. Look at it. A lot of leg room. All right, so let's do this back one real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna grab my tool. Try to figure out where. Here it is. So get this. So I've been doing it wrong. I was trying to get it off here, but you got to go off by. Let me see. You got to go off right here. You just want to pry it in between that little thing right there. And there you go. See, perfect. So all it is just a single one right here. Oh, this is gonna be a little bit harder to take off. There's no, my fingers don't fit in there. Let's see. There we go. I'll grab the LED. Let's see if I can get this one in there. Yep, works perfect. We're going to just get the cover back on. So I figured, for me, it kind of works better when you stick this side in first. I mean, when you put it in this one side first, and all you got to do, you see those little ridges right there, kind of press inward, and they kind of just go back in. There you go, perfect. There we go. Now let's see it without flash. That's all right there, flash. No flash, straight up the light. For this back one's gonna be a little bit harder. My prying tool doesn't really get in there. Let's see, I'm gonna try to do it with the screwdriver right there. Let's try and get it. There we go. So So just prying it right there releases it. There we go. Perfect. So now I just gotta remove that light. So just be careful because this shit's hot. Okay. Let's pop a little LED in there. It's just hard with one hand. There you go. Let's pop it back in place. Put the back in first. Inward. This one. You want to do just hit it with your palm. There you go. That's it. Now with that flash. There we go. That's what. That's just the LED light right there. No flash. Perfect. Sexy. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm gonna be installing some LED reverse lights, so hopefully I'll upload that video pretty soon. And also I just installed a blow-off valve adapter, which I already put on, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it anyways. I'll take it off and put it back on so you guys can see. Pretty simple, but keep subscribing, hit the like, and follow.